attention.
Woo!
Hello, everyone. My name is Avia Fields. I am doing a scene from The Love of the Nightingale, and my actors are Grace here, Carissa, Kia, Adana, Jessica, Eden, and Claire, Babante, and Avery. Where is Avery?
In the dark.
Here. So now we'll go ahead and get started. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Without the words to demand,
or ask, plead, beg for.
without the words to accuse,
Not even the words to forgive. The words that help to forget.
what else was there?
For some question, there are no answers. We might ask you now, why Vulture ate Prometheus' liver? He brought man intelligence.
Why did God want them stupid?
Why did Medea kill her children?
Why do countries make war?
Why are races exterminated?
Why do white people cut off the words of blacks?
Why people disappear? Ultimate silence.
Not even death recorded. Why are little girls raped and murdered in car parks of dark cities?
What does make torturers smile?
We can ask. Words will search for and probably not find. But if you silence the question, first the mind that asks,
Cut out its tongue.
you will have this. We show you a myth.
Image. Echo. A child is the future.
This
Is what the soldiers did not see.
daylight at last. The revels are over. It's time to go home. All that wine poured like blood. We're whitewashing the streets. Time to go home. Stupefied? You should learn to hold your wine better. Go on. Stagger home. You've had your revels. Prockney, tell your woman to go home. I had wanted to say.
Say what, Terrius?
If I could explain.
You have a tongue.
Beyond words.
What?
When I ride my horse into battle, I see where I am going. I close my eyes for an instant, and the world whirls round. That is what happened. The world whirled round.
What kept you silent? Shame?
No,
What?
I can't say. There are no rules.
I obeyed all the rules. The rules of my parents. The rules of our marriage. The rules of my loneliness. You. And now you say this.
I have no other words.
I will help you find them. If you bend over the stream and search for your reflection, Terrius, this is what it looks like.
Iris. You.
I did nothing. As usual, let the violence sweep around me.
She!
No. You, Terrius. You bloodied the future. For all of us. We don't want it.
Your own child.
Ours. There are no more rules. There is nothing. The world is bleak. The past a mockery. The future dead. And now I want to die.
I loved her. When I silenced her, it was from love. She didn't want my love. She could only mock and rebel. She was dangerous. I loved my country. I loved my child. You. This.
You wanted something and you took it. That is not love. Look at yourself. That is not love.
How could I know what love was? Who was there to tell me?
Did you ask?
Monsters. Fiends! I will kill you both.
Tereus pursued the two sisters, but he never reached them. Myth has a strange end.
No end.
Philomel became Nightingale.
Procne, a swallow.
Tereus a hopo.
You might ask, why does the myth end that way?
Such a transformation.
Metamorphosis.